Welcome to this tutorial on the KQB Scoreboard widget and companion app. I'm just going to show a quick demo of how we can run the app, fetch team data from IGL, quickly pick the teams that we want to play against each other, and start the scoreboard controller. Now we can bring up OBS and see that our scoreboard is being updated with that information, and then use the companion app to control the scoreboard and update the scores in real time. Within the companion app, you record map wins. Once a team has won 3 maps, a set will automatically be added to their score. This concludes the demo. Next, we'll go over the setup guide. First, we're going to download the app from GitHub. So we're going to go find the GitHub repository, go to the releases page, and download the zip for the application according to my platform. In this case, we're on Windows. Next, we're going to extract the zip file and find the application, and then just run it. From here, we're given the option to select from an IGL or custom match type. In this case, we're going to choose IGL. Next, it's going to ask us which circuit we want to import teams from. Select the one that's according to the teams that are playing, and then hit next. We're going to get a list of teams to drop down and select our blue and gold teams from the imported list. And next, we're just going to hit start scoreboard. So this means that the scoreboard is up and running. We can click the scoreboard link to look at a preview of what the scoreboard will actually look like. And this link is what we're going to actually use to set up OBS with. The app will actually control the scoreboard, so as I increase and decrease the score in the app, it'll update the widget according to what I press. Next, we're going to go through the OBS setup guide. So with the app running at the scoreboard controller screen, we're going to add a new browser source within OBS. I'm just calling it KQB Scoreboard. We're going to point it at that same URL that we had earlier. Just for people who don't know, we're going to use localhost :8080. We're going to set the width to 1760 and the height to 90. We're going to remove the custom CSS that's put in there by default, and then check the refresh button box. We should have the widget up and running on the screen. We're just going to reposition it in place, and then if it ends up having a scroll bar, we're going to crop it a little bit. Next, we're going to add a chroma key to get rid of the green color and make it transparent to display other information that you'd like for your viewers. In the chroma screen, we're going to adjust the similarity value to about 200. From here, I'm just going to adjust some of the display elements on the screen to make sure that everything is centered. If the resolution doesn't meet the needs of your stream, feel free to adjust it. This is just the setting that I'm using for demo purposes, but you can rescale and move it around as you wish. I'm also just going to show a quick demo of what this would look like with other logos added as well, just to give you a visual idea of how it would look. And then we'll show you how it looks with incrementing the score, so you can see that it's pretty much like real-time live updates. So in this last section here, we're going to show you the setting up of a custom match in case I don't want to import data from IGL. So same as before, we're going to start the KQB Scoreboard app. This time we're going to hit custom, and then this is basically just going to prompt us for the blue team name and gold team name, and then optionally we can put in the standing. So if they have 3 match wins or 1 match loss, you can enter that information as well, and then pretty much just hit start scoreboard, and the rest of the OBS setup and scoreboard setup is pretty much the same. Cool, so that's pretty much it for this complete tutorial. If you like this video and have feedback, feel free to leave it in the comments or PM me on Discord. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in KQB.